Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some mini trompitos al pastor. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by cooking the chiles for the adobo sauce. So to a small saucepan, add 8 New Mexico chile pods. Make sure to clean them. Along with 1 large chile ancho, 5 chile de árbol, and 1/4 of an onion. We're going to cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring them to a boil. Okay, so once our chiles come to a boil, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup, along with the onion and 1/2 cup of water. Okay, so now that we have that, now we can get ready to make our adobo sauce. Alright, to blender cup, we're also going to be adding 4 allspice berries, 4 whole cloves, a little piece of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box. To that, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and 50 grams of achiote. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, so once we have our adobo sauce, now we're going to set it to the side so we can prepare our meat. Alright, so now for my meat, I'm going to be using 3.5 pounds of pork loin chops and 3.5 pounds of chicken breast. I'm just going to begin by grabbing my pork chop, going to slice it in half. Just open it like this. And using a Ziploc bag, I'm going to be pounding it until it's nice and thin. Just like this. Now we're just going to be cutting it into small squares. And I just like to use my fingers and just cut them like that. So about 2 fingers thick. Okay, and I'm just going to be transferring them to my Ziploc bag, that's where I'm going to be marinating my meat, and we just repeat with all of our pork chops. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the same to our chicken, but make sure that you disinfect everything and you change your glove. We're just going to slice our chicken in half. Using the other side of the Ziploc bag, or the other piece. Now we're just going to pound it into thinly sliced. So once we have our meat, now we can get ready to pour our marinade. And we're just going to be adding half of it to each bag. Now just make sure to coat all of the meat. Alright, so as we have our meat all nicely coated with the marinade, we're going to allow it to marinate for at least 8 hours. Alrighty, so here I have my meat that I marinated last night. So once we have it, now we can get ready to put our skewers together. Alright, so here I have my metal skewer. I'm going to be inserting a piece of pineapple, and now we're just going to stack our meat. And you can also add onion if you want. Let's just stack it. Once we get to the top, we add a piece of pineapple, and we repeat the process with all of our skewers. Alrighty guys, and once we have our mini trompos al pastor, now we can get ready to take it outside. Alright guys, I'm going to be placing my skewers on my grill and allow them to cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're fully cooked. Make sure to flip them every 2 minutes. Alrighty guys, and once we have our trompitos, we can now get ready to serve. Now of course, you can always enjoy them in tacos or just like that. But let me tell you that this recipe is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, and let me tell you, faster than your traditional al pastor. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Let me tell you, seriously, the best. So flavorful, the meat so tender, so juicy, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious mini trompitos al pastor. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. share with your friends and family. And if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.